Hi! Hola! It's sad. It's sad that the journey is about to end, but I am taking it one day at a time because days are going by so fast and there's nothing I can do to stop it. If I can, I will. I promise because the girls are amazing. Miss Aruba, she's an amazing friend. She's very sweet. But there's nothing I can do. The end day is about to come, and what I can do is give my best every single day as a representative of my country. I believe that Filipinos really appreciate beauty first and foremost, and not only Filipino beauty. I mean, when you go to my country, we appreciate every single country, and if there's a winner, all the Filipino fans would try to copy and imitate the queen. So it's not only appreciating the beauty of a Filipina, it's appreciating the beauty of the world, that there is so much positivity and inspiration you can get from every beauty that you see in the world. A lot, because I've been, every event I'm with different girls, and every event is teaching me a new experience. I'm learning something from it. I think one of the best or highlight event that I did was when I was able to spoke in front of the Russian American Chamber, because the Russian American Chamber helped the victims in my country during the Yolanda typhoon. So we are the beneficiary of their charity, the Cord Aid, and I'm just very thankful to be able to speak in behalf of my countrymen, to be able to show to them that how grateful our country is, because that help saved a lot of people, a lot of families, thousands of families. And in the future, like the help that they're giving us, it's not only hundreds of people that they are helping. So I'm just thankful, and I value that experience. Hola Aruba, te quiero. Well, Miss Aruba is teaching me a couple of words, and I think I'm coping up. Te hambre, something like that. We are hambre, we always say that. And thank you for supporting Miss Universe Pageant. Your country is amazing, your country is beautiful, and please keep on supporting Miss Universe and your representative and all the women, because these women are such an amazing women. They're all great women from different parts of the world, and we can learn something from them. So let's enjoy the show. We'll try our best to give you a wonderful show on the pageant night. Thank you.